Right, DIFC, physics, mechanics, and the last lesson we did was resolving vectors. So we have a homework from that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's have a look at that. So, alright, last little slide. Okay. So, homework. A ball is thrown at an angle of 30 and speed is 10. Resolve. Okay. Angle 30, speed 10. So, number one, this is 10 meters per second. This angle is 30. And this component here will be 10 cos 30. And then this one here will be 10 sine 30. So, hitting that in on the calculator.
Should we make it the time?
If that makes you feel better, yes. But you don't have to. 10 cos 30, 5 root 3 if you want, or as a decimal, which I'll do it as a decimal, 8.66 meters per second, and then 10 sine 30 is 5 meters per second. So the answers are 8.66 and 5. I hope you got that one.
Yeah.
Number 2. Golden. They're all pretty much like this, aren't they?
I wanted to ask you about question 5.
Oh yeah, we'll get through all of them. How many were there?
6.
6, okay. That's taken a while to load. Maybe you can read it to me instead. So, does anyone have... Yeah, go ahead.
Man is driving a sack of potatoes by means of a rope.
Yes.
The rope is at an angle of 45 degrees to the horizontal, and the tension in the rope is 50 newtons. Resolve this force vector into a horizontal and vertical part.
Okay, so this one here will be 50 cos 45, and then this one here will be the same, yeah, because it's 45, which
35.36.
Yeah.
35.36, so we'll say 35.4. So this is 35.4 newtons, and this one is 35 point. What did I say? Yeah, I know. I realised I said the right one, but wrote the wrong one. 34.4 newtons. I said and wrote the wrong one. Oh, what? No,
No, you said the correct one, you just wrote the wrong one.
Again, refresh. 35.4.
Yes.
And then 35.4 newtons. Okay. Number 3. Still loading for some reason. What's happening in 3?
The angle is 45 and the speed is 20 kilometers per hour.
And what's angle 45?
Yeah.
Bearing 45?
A
Or?
boat is sailing at a speed of 20 kilometers per hour, due north to east. Resolve this.
Okay. So it's going exactly like this.
That's why it's
That's why it's 45. And what did you say? 20 kilometers an hour? So that's 20 kilometers per hour. So kind of the same deal as the last one.
But we need to mention northern and east.
We should. I'll show you how to write that now. We should. Cos 45, and this one is 20. Sine 45.
14.14.
14.1 then if we do it this way. 14.1 kilometers per hour, and then which this one here is also 14.1 kilometers per hour. Yeah. No, that's it. I suppose we should really maybe, if you want, you can say this one is east and that one's north. Okay, 4, what's happening?
A ball is projected with horizontal speed of 10 meters per second and a vertical speed of
Yes.
40 meters per second.
Okay, so this time it's the opposite.
And we need to calculate the magnitude and direction.
Yeah. So the magnitude, we get that from Pythagoras.
Yep.
So what's that? Square root 500, is it?
13, wait, yeah, 20.
Yeah, 22.4 meters per second. That's the magnitude. And then the angle here, we'll call it theta. Theta is tan inverse 20 over 10.
46.4.
And inverse.
I think you might have had yours upside down.
20 over 10. Yeah.
I didn't put tan.
For tan inverse,
But that's
tan
63.
inverse of 20 over 10, I got 63.
Yeah.
Or is that how you said something else? 63.4 degrees.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why didn't put tan inverse?
What did you use?
Tan.
Ah,
Oh, well, maybe when I moved it.
Tan theta equals 10,
Yeah.
20 over 10. So
yeah.
Theta
Tan
equals
theta is
10.
20 over 10, yeah.
I probably didn't.
Okay, what's happening in
But
5 now?
then I was thinking, like, what about the direction? Do we have to mention that 63.4 degrees from the ground?
Yeah, we really should say to the ground. But
it's projecting the ball with an angle of 63.4.
that's also fine, yeah. But really, if you just say to the ground, that's good enough.
Or from the ground, but then the next one.
Number 5? Yeah, okay, what's number 5?
A man is pushing against the wall with a force of 5 newtons horizontal and 12 newtons vertical.
So he's pushing 5 newtons this way, and is he pushing up or down?
He's pushing into the wall.
With 5 newtons, like this.
Yeah,
And then vertically
12.
12.
up or down?
Up.
Oh, so he's pushing this way with 12 newtons.
Yep.
So again, we want the
Okay, my question.
magnitude. Yes,
He's pushing against the wall.
yeah,
The wall is not moving.
yes.
So there is no magnitude.
But there is a
There
magnitude
is no
in his
place.
force. Yeah. In total, there's no force.
Yeah, because they push it.
Exactly. But we're looking at the magnitude of the force that the man is exerting. So although his force is cancelled, he's still exerting a force. So it's the magnitude of this force. What do we get for the hypotenuse here?
13.
13 from Pythagoras. And the angle here, theta, is tan inverse 12 over 5,
7.38.
67.4, yeah.
And is it to the horizontal?
Yeah, now this is the thing, you have a few choices here. You could say your answer is either like this. 67.4 degrees to the horizontal, or you could say 22.6 degrees to the wall. So you could measure the angle out this way from the wall,
Yeah.
which, I don't know, whichever you prefer, it
So
doesn't
they
matter.
both right.
Oh yes. Okay, last one, 6.
Submarine was flying at 90 kilometers per hour east and 120 kilometers north.
Okay, so it's 90 this way and 120 this way, and
Magnitude and direction.
same deal as always. Okay.
They
Okay.
only want the magnitude, not the angle, so you can just use Pythagoras and that's
Is
it.
that all they asked for?
No, they want direction too.
Did I?
Maybe.
Okay, but anyways, the magnitude is 150
50
kilometers per hour, and the direction is tan inverse 120 over 90, which is 53. So east, 53.1 degrees north. This is 53.1 there.
About 36.7.
Your answer would be from the north then. North, 36.9 east. You've given this answer. Not that it's wrong, but this is why I need to write the compass in, to know which way you're measuring the angle. So for me, I'm measuring from the east out to the north, and it looks like you went north out to the east. Did you?
I was like, I divided 120 by 90
And tan inverse?
and tan inverse, yeah.
Maybe it's minus. No, I got 53 again. Maybe you typed it in upside down?
Maybe.
Possible? Okay, that's okay. Yeah, okay, so you missed the last homework then. It's okay, yeah. We'll start the next topic then. Can I close this? Yeah.
Yeah.